Hi guys, and welcome to another BPM technical tutorial from Salient Process. In this edition we're going to look at a new feature which is cropped up in IBM BPM 860 with Cumulative Fix 2018-03. So let's have a look and see what it is. As we realize, we can create BPM processes, and in those BPM processes we can have tasks. So let me go ahead and run an instance of a process, and run another instance, and another instance. So at this point there are 3 instances of the tasks running. If I now log in to IBM's process portal, we will see those tasks. If I move over to here, my dashboards, we see in our work dashboard, we see each of the tasks. Well, that's great, that's good, that's exactly what we're used to. However, there's a puzzle or a problem, and that is I, as a user, can now cherry pick those tasks. I can pick which task I want to work on. So I could choose to ignore some perhaps difficult task. I can continue to pick some older task or some newer task and ignore another task that I might want to work on, that I might need to work on, in favor of working on other tasks. So that's not so good. In the latest BPM, a new capability has been added which forces the user to work on the concept of the next task. So let's see how we engage this. First of all, we log on to the administrator would log on to IBM's WAS admin console. Find, I've been timed out, let me log in again. Find the resources tab, find the resource environment, find the resource environment providers, find mashup config service, find custom properties, and create a new custom properties that has the name com.ibm.bpm.portal.show-next-task-dashboard. My goodness. And from there we set its value to be all. Once we've made that change, we make the change, then we save the change, and let's validate that the change is there. So let's drill back in to the config service, the custom properties. Let me do a filter now, and I'm going to search on BPM portal, and there is my BPM portal entry showing that it is indeed set. Good. Now, we're having made that change, let's go back to our BPM portal. Let's log out of our BPM portal. Let's log back into our BPM portal. And what do we find? We find that nothing has changed. And I've seen this, and what I need to do is I need to restart my BPM server. So hold a moment while I restart BPM. Thank you for that. Now, having restarted my BPM server, I'm going to log in to Process Portal again. And once we've logged in, we find that what used to be called the Work tab is now called Next Task. And Next Task only shows a single BPM task. Now the BPM task that is shown is the one that is top of the list as selected by the default save search. If I work on this task, if I complete this task, just a second while it comes up. If I complete this task, the next task comes up, but again only one at a time. There is no notion of having the ability for me to cherry pick which task is I work on. So next task replaces the work list, and at this point the user can only select the next task in the set of tasks to work on and cannot arbitrarily cherry pick them. So it's quite a simple feature. It's enabled by the Show Next Task dashboard setting. Search for that within the IBM Knowledge Center and you'll find the full details. You can set that on for certain users or certain groups of users, while others are able to work on all tasks as they do today. And again, this is a new feature which has manifested itself for the first time in 860 BPM Cumulative Fix 2018-03. I hope you found this useful, folks. Talk to you all soon. Bye for now.